Have you ever dreamed of making money online? Maybe you've imagined working from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours, and building a business that fits your lifestyle. For many, this dream once seemed out of reach, but now things are changing fast. In 2025, it's easier than ever thanks to the incredible power of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the way we work, create, and earn, opening up new doors for anyone willing to explore its potential. Imagine creating stunning images with just a few words, and then selling those images or using them to build your own online business. You don't need to be a professional artist or have years of experience. AI tools can help you turn your ideas into reality in minutes. This isn't science fiction, it's your reality with AI image generators. These tools are revolutionizing creative industries, making it possible for anyone to participate and profit. One of the most exciting new tools on the market is Google ImageFX. This innovative platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you can jump right in and start creating. This powerful platform, fueled by Google's cutting-edge Imagen 3 technology, lets you create realistic, high-quality images from simple text prompts. Just type what you imagine and watch as your vision comes to life in seconds. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or just someone looking for a new way to earn money, ImageFX is your secret weapon for success in the digital age. You can use it to design products, enhance your brand, or even start a side hustle selling unique digital art. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and discover a world of possibilities with AI-powered image generation. The only limit is your imagination, and the opportunities are growing every day. The future of income is here, and it's filled with creativity, innovation, and endless opportunities. So are you ready to take the first step and see what you can achieve with AI? Let's get started. Imagine having a personal artist who never sleeps, always ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. That's what Google ImageFX feels like. Your very own AI image genie, right at your fingertips, ready to create whenever inspiration strikes. This innovative tool is powered by artificial intelligence and uses Google's cutting-edge Imagen 3 technology. With just a few words, you can transform your text descriptions into stunning, high-quality visuals. No artistic skills required. Whether you want a dreamy landscape, a futuristic city, or a whimsical character, ImageFX can make it happen in seconds. Developed by the brilliant minds at Google DeepMind, ImageFX is designed to empower everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a professional designer, a student, or someone who's never picked up a paintbrush. This tool helps you bring your imagination to life with ease and confidence. But what exactly is Imagen 3? Think of it as a supercomputer that studied billions of images and learned how words and visuals connect. It understands the subtle details in language and can translate them into breathtaking images. Imagen 3 is the secret sauce that makes ImageFX so powerful and intuitive. This advanced AI model is the creative engine behind ImageFX, allowing it to generate images that are not only realistic and detailed, but also imaginative and unique. What once took years of artistic training can now be achieved in moments, opening up new possibilities for creativity. So, who's behind this revolutionary technology? It's Google, of course. And the best part is, they're making this powerful tool available to the world, inviting everyone to explore and create. Google ImageFX is designed to be accessible for all, whether you're an individual looking to express yourself, a business aiming to stand out, or a creative professional seeking new inspiration. With ImageFX, the power of AI-driven art is now in your hands, ready to unlock new opportunities for creative expression and even financial success. Ready to start creating your own AI-powered masterpieces? Accessing ImageFX is quick and easy. Simply head over to the Google ImageFX website and sign up for an account. You'll be guided through a simple setup process, and then you're ready to start creating. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by ImageFX's user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're brand new to the world of AI image generation. Don't worry, you don't need any technical skills or prior experience to use ImageFX. Just type in a text description of what you want to see and watch in amazement as ImageFX brings your vision to life. You can be as specific or as abstract as you like. Want to see a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn through a field of rainbows? ImageFX can do that. What sets ImageFX and Imagen 3 apart from the crowd? First and foremost, it's the incredible quality of the images they produce. Thanks to Imagen 3's advanced AI capabilities, ImageFX generates images that are incredibly realistic, detailed, and visually stunning. You'll be amazed by the level of detail and realism that ImageFX can achieve. But it's not just about quality. ImageFX is also incredibly fast. You can generate images in seconds, allowing you to experiment with different ideas and concepts in real time. This speed and efficiency make ImageFX ideal for both personal and professional use, whether you're creating a single image or a whole library of visuals. And of course, Google takes safety seriously. ImageFX has built-in safeguards to prevent the generation of inappropriate or harmful content, so you can create with confidence, knowing that ImageFX is a safe and responsible AI tool. Now for the exciting part, how to make money with ImageFX. Whether you're a creative hobbyist, a side hustler, or someone looking to build a full-time business, ImageFX opens up a whole new world of possibilities for turning your creativity into cash. The possibilities are truly endless, but here are a few proven methods to get you started. You don't need to be a professional artist or designer. Just a bit of imagination and a willingness to experiment can take you far. First, you can sell your AI art. With ImageFX, you can generate stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out from the crowd. ImageFX lets you create unique, high-quality artwork that you can sell online through platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even your own website. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience, and you can set your own prices for digital downloads or physical products. You could even turn your digital masterpieces into prints, canvases, or, phone cases. Think about custom t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or even wall art for home decor. There's a huge market for personalized products. Second, you can create digital products. Digital products are always in demand, and with ImageFX, you can design assets that people need for their own projects. Use ImageFX to design eye-catching graphics for ebooks, website banners, social media posts, and loads more. You can also create templates, icons, or backgrounds for other creators to use and sell them on marketplaces or your own site. You could also offer your design services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. There's a growing demand for quick, affordable, and unique visuals, and AI-generated art can help you deliver just that. Third, you can offer freelance services. Build a portfolio of your best AI-generated work and attract clients who need custom images for their businesses, blogs, or marketing campaigns. Become an AI image generation consultant and help businesses create custom visuals for their marketing materials, websites, and social media content. Companies are always looking for fresh, innovative imagery to stand out online, and you can be the one to provide it. These are just a few examples to spark your imagination. The only real limit is your creativity and willingness to explore new ideas. With ImageFX, you have the power to create virtually any type of image, opening up a world of income-generating opportunities. So, dive in, experiment, and see where your imagination and ImageFX can take you. ImageFX isn't just for business, it's also a playground for your imagination. Here are a few creative use cases to explore. First up, NFT creation. You can design unique digital artworks and turn them into NFTs to sell on blockchain marketplaces. Next, marketing materials. Generate eye-catching visuals for brochures, flyers, and social media campaigns. And then there's educational content. Create engaging visuals for presentations, infographics, and educational resources. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore the full potential of ImageFX. Who knows what amazing creations you'll bring to life? Ready to take your ImageFX skills to the next level? Here are a few expert tips to help you get the most out of this powerful tool. First, use detailed prompts. The more specific your text prompts, the better the results. Use descriptive language, adjectives, and even specify art styles you like. Next, experiment with styles. ImageFX can mimic different art styles. Try prompts like a photorealistic portrait of a woman or a watercolor painting of a sunset over the ocean. And don't forget to protect your work. Always watermark your images and familiarize yourself with copyright laws related to AI-generated art. With a little practice and these helpful tips, you'll be creating stunning, marketable images in no time. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI image generators, Google ImageFX stands out as a game changer for several reasons. First, it's cost-effective. ImageFX offers flexible pricing plans to suit every budget, making it accessible to hobbyists and professionals alike. Second, exceptional quality. Imagen 3's advanced AI technology ensures that ImageFX produces images of unparalleled quality and realism. And third, a user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use ImageFX. Its intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, launch a full-time online business, or simply explore your creative side, ImageFX provides the tools and resources you need to succeed in the exciting world of AI-powered image generation. The future is here, and it's filled with creative possibilities thanks to the power of AI. Google ImageFX is your gateway to this exciting new frontier, empowering you to create, earn, and thrive in the digital age. Don't wait another moment. Sign up for ImageFX today and unlock your earning potential. Join the AI revolution and discover a world of limitless opportunities waiting for you.